Okay, great. The next question that I was asked to answer is, how do you hold individuals accountable for the results they want to see? With that being said, the first thing I can tell you is being willing to learn, being willing to sacrifice your time, your effort, and your mind and your thoughts moving forward, because in this type of business and a commissions type of business, you need to be willing to sacrifice your time 100%. With that being said, when I first started off here, I had 6-7 months, half a year. I was to myself. I was just working out, just working on business, learning about the business as far as, what are the basics about Medicare? What is the basics about this? Like what are the requirements to even get started? So with that being said, when you come in and you go onboarded with me and you work with me and you're underneath me and we're going back and forth and we're talking, I want you to let you know the same way when I was brought in open arms. So I'm gonna give the same thing to you, because that's the best way to have people reach their peak. With that being said, the first thing that we would do, I have individuals now that are underneath me and they're great. I know them personally. I have the utmost, respect for them, and I would hope they have the same for me, because I'm gonna give them my time, my effort, because not that I have to, because I want to, because the opportunity was given to me. Why would I not share it with people that I love and people that I know that I grew up with, on top of that. So with that being said, the first thing I would say is being truthful, being very straightforward, not cutting things in half, telling them what they need to do to go straight, because if you're going right or left, you're already on the wrong path. Because in this industry, you need to be seatbelt on, hands on the wheel, you need to be willing to give it all. So what I mean by that is, you gotta be accountable for yourself. I will be accountable for you, but if you're not willing to put the work in yourself, don't expect somebody like myself to do it for you, because no one did it for me. I had to 6-7 months not show up my friends, not really talk to my family, not see anybody, because I had to focus on me as an individual. With that being said, I expect that same thing for you. Not saying you have to cut your family out and stuff like that, but that's what I had to do to get to the point where I'm at now. I had to lose everything to get here. I had lost my grandmother, I had lost some family and some friends, and with that being said, I was in a very deep point of my life. I wasn't happy, I wasn't successful. I had lost a job, I had lost a home, and at this point, when you realize that there's no one that's gonna help you besides you, that's the point of the goal. So when you come here, I'm gonna hold you accountable, I'm gonna do my best to make sure you're successful, but you have to be willing to do it. You have to be willing to learn, to be ethical, you have to be willing to go all in and really know that this is it. If you can't have a second option. This is your only option when you come here to LC Financial Group. So with that being said, you come in, you're underneath me, I'm gonna give you everything, because I was given everything. I came here, I was welcomed here with open arms. I came here underneath the executive here, Brian Lewis. When he came in, he was very honest, very straightforward, very nice. I knew him from my past, but one thing I can tell you about him, if you come underneath me or him, you have two great individuals that want to see you succeed. He came in, I came in as a business opportunity. Now I'm here and I gained a friend. He's I'm really close to him, and he's an amazing person. There's more individuals here at LC Financial Group that are willing to help and willing to teach you, but also there's friendship here, and it's a great environment and great area to be in. And if you guys join us, if you join me, you're gonna have 100% me 7 days a week.